What's going on, stackers? So in this video we're going to be breaking down my sales per marketplace to see which one is the most profitable. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy and every single day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you want to know how I'm currently making kids low content books, then check out that link in the description below to go to Kids LCB. This course lays out everything that I'm currently doing to make and sell kids low content books. You can also get there by going to kidslcb.com. So, in this video, what we're going to do, we're going to look at all of my sales over the last few months. So let's go to all time. And then we're going to break it down per marketplace just to see which one has been the most profitable for me. So if we scroll down to here, these are my sales, as you know, over the last 11 months. This month started off a little bit slow and then it sped up a little bit, and now it's just been consistent sales like it was back here. So these massive spikes just here is because I had a few books really take off, and this month has been just consistent sales. Now if we keep scrolling down, we want to go to just here. So these are my percentages by marketplace, but you can also change this to money as well. So looking straight away at this, I've sold over the last 11 months, 74.9% of my book sales come from Amazon.com. 23.8% comes from here in the UK, and then the rest is just little bits and bobs through the other marketplaces. Now if we change this to money, the number just here, we can now see how much I've actually earned from each marketplace as well. So we can actually see that I've made over $14,000 in royalties from Amazon.com. So it looks like I do sell the majority of my books on that marketplace. And then I've sold made $4,500 in royalties from the Amazon.co.uk. So again, that's my second best marketplace to sell on. And then $128 on Amazon.d, $52 on Amazon.es, whichever one that is. Is that Spain? I'm not too sure. And then $30 in royalties from Amazon.it, and then the rest is just the other marketplaces. So looking at this, my best marketplaces to sell are Amazon.com and Amazon.co.uk. Now what you can also do here, which I didn't realise until the other day, is if we click on earnings just here, we can go to units, paid units as well. So we're going to go to units, and we can see I've sold almost 6,000 books on Amazon.com, over 2,000 books on Amazon.co.uk, 54 there, 26, 15 and 18. So that's my numbers broken down by marketplace. I'm extremely happy with the numbers. I'm extremely happy how my business has gone over the last 11 months. I can't believe it's almost been a year. Now, for those of you that do watch, I did have a goal of hitting 3,000 books by quarter four. Quarter four is pretty much upon us, as October is literally here now, and I didn't hit that goal. Main reason being, over the last month, I'd say it's about a month now, I've been focusing more on kids low content books, and I'm getting some pretty good results with them. But the thing is with them, because they're all custom made interiors, which I do create myself, but because of that you can't make as many as you can when you do notebooks and things like that. I'm averaging around one book per day. Some days it might be one book per every 2 days, but the majority is one book per day. And I'm happy with that because I have a couple of kids' low content books performing really well at the minute. Now, if you want to know exactly how I'm doing everything with these kids' low content books, then don't forget to check out the Kids LCB course by going to kidslcb.com. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.